Hi guys, we're gonna make some gingerbread cookies and it's gonna be fun, so stick to the video. So first we're gonna put 1 egg in the bowl. Yolk. I can make some of that. Just kidding. Do not do that. Next, we're gonna put the gingerbread mix in the bowl. And I don't want to like my nose. All that in there. And next, we're gonna put butter. I'm sorry. Butter, right?
Butter. Butter.
What is it? Oh, ew. Ew. All that around. I'm making a huge towel with this mess. I thought I had to use a spoon with this, not mix it.
No, you gotta use your hand.
Where?
Get the bottom piece too, Mama.
I'll do it all.
There, no, keep squishing it.
Good.
It smells good?
Yeah. Now it's like this.
Okay.
Did I roll it on it?
Try to squish it down.
With this?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes. You gotta flatten it. There you go. The other side. So.
The tree, or the window, or the snowman.
Gingerbread. You're making gingerbread cookies.
Do the gingerbread first.
Yes.
Fine, I'll do the gingerbread. Where's the gingerbread?
This one.
Okay, we'll do each, okay? Each one. Well, let's do 2, because gingerbread man and gingerbread girl. Here, right here. We're going to start right here.
Push it down.
Should work.
Make one more.
No, I think I'll just do one.
You just want one?
Because that's going to be a gingerbread girl. And then we'll do snowman next.
Push it down hard on all sides.
Okay, we did a snowman. Now let's do a tree. Okay, we did a tree. Now let's do a reindeer. And there we go. And then our little wheel. Did all of them right?
Yeah, you did a good job.
I like the window. Oh, I'm gonna decorate the tree. I already know. Because I can put ornaments on it. The stars. Daddy and me. And I'm pretty sure. Green for ornament. It should stay. So, we'll be finished decorating. We'll be right back. Cookies. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye.
How's it taste? Good or no? Yes?